OpenClaw upgrades are insane. OpenClaw just dropped the biggest update in AI agent history. We're talking agents that create other agents, a 1,000,000 token context window, live streaming inside Slack, Discord, and Telegram. And it all happened in one single week. This is not a small patch. This changes everything about how AI agents work. If you're building with AI right now, you need to see this. Let's go. So first, what even is OpenClaw? Because if you don't know, you need to. OpenClaw is an open agent platform. Think of it like this. You have AI agents. Those agents talk to tools. They talk to models. They talk to other platforms. Telegram, Discord, Slack, even your iPhone. And now, those agents can create other agents on the fly in real time. This is not a chatbot. This is AI infrastructure. This is like an operating system for AI agents. And what they dropped this week makes it 10 times more powerful. I am not joking. Let's start with the biggest one. OpenClaw just released support for Sonnet 4.6. Now, if you don't know what that means, let me make it simple. Sonnet 4.6 is a massive reasoning upgrade. Your agents think better, they plan better, they handle long, complex workflows without falling apart. Before this, agents would kind of lose the plot halfway through a big task. Now they stay on track. They make cleaner decisions. And that matters a lot when you're running agents that do real work for you every single day. Think about running agents for the AI Profit Boardroom. Things like writing content, answering member questions, building automations, onboarding new people. Before, a big multi-step task would sometimes go sideways. The agent would forget what it was doing. Now it stays focused from start to finish. That is a real practical upgrade for anyone running AI in their business. But here's where it gets wild. They also dropped a 1,000,000 token context window in beta. Let me say that again. 1,000,000 tokens. That means your agent can hold an entire code base in its head, an entire research paper, an entire month of conversation history. No more losing context halfway through. No more choking on big tasks. No more hacking things together just to make it work. Your agent now remembers everything. And if you want to learn how to actually use tools like OpenClaw to automate your business and scale with AI, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to build real AI agent workflows, save hundreds of hours, and grow your business with automation. Step-by-step processes, real use cases, and a community of people who are actually building this stuff. Link is in the comment and description. Now let me keep going because there is so much more. Here's what that looks like in practice. Say you want to run an agent that manages the AI Profit Boardroom. It needs to know the entire history of member conversations, every post, every question, every workflow you've built. Before, it could only hold a tiny slice of that. Now it can hold all of it, the whole picture, all at once. That alone changes the game. But they didn't stop there. Not even close. Now you can spawn sub-agents from chat. Picture this. You have one main agent. It gets a big task. Instead of trying to do everything itself, it creates other agents. Little worker agents, each one handles a piece of the job. Then they report back. This is a real manager-to-worker model. This is what people tried to do with AutoGPT years ago, except now it actually works. And it works inside a real platform with real stability behind it. Here's a real example. Say you want to grow the AI Profit Boardroom. You tell your main agent, find the top AI automation topics people are searching for, write 10 content briefs, draft 5 emails, and schedule social posts for the next 2 weeks. Instead of doing that one at a time, it spawns a research agent, a writing agent, an email agent, and a scheduling agent. They all work at the same time. They all report back. The main agent puts it together. That is not the future. That is right now. Inside OpenClaw, they added an iOS share extension. So now you can take text, links, files, anything on your phone, and share it directly to OpenClaw right from your iPhone. You capture something in the real world, send it to your agent, and your agent starts working on it immediately. Mobile-first agent workflows. That is huge for anyone who wants AI working for them while they're on the go. Then there's Slack native streaming. Your agent now replies in Slack token by token live. It looks and feels like a real person typing. No more waiting for a big wall of text to appear. It streams in real time. If you run a team and you use Slack, this changes how your agents interact with your people. It feels natural, it feels human, and it's fast. And for Telegram users, they added styled inline buttons. So now your Telegram bot doesn't just spit out text. It has real buttons, real UI. It looks like an app inside the chat. You can build actual app-like experiences right inside Telegram. No separate app needed, no website needed. Just a clean, interactive bot that looks professional. Now let's talk about the February 15th update. This one is all about stability and UX. First, they added Discord components v2. Buttons, select menus, modals, full interactive agents inside Discord. So if you run a Discord community, your agent can now have a real interface. People click buttons, pick from menus, fill out forms, all inside Discord. That is a massive upgrade from just text replies. Think about what that means for a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. Members come in, they click a button, they fill out a quick form, and an AI agent instantly gives them a personalized workflow recommendation based on their business. That experience is now possible inside Discord. And here's the one that blew my mind: nested sub-agents. Agents creating agents, like layers. A top-level agent makes a plan. It creates mid-level agents. Those agents create their own worker agents, and they all coordinate together. Hierarchical planning, complex workflows, no spaghetti logic. This is how you build real AI systems that do real things. They also did a major security hardening pass. Attack surface reduced, safer handling across the board, and on top of that, over 40 bug fixes. That might not sound exciting, but when your agents run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, stability is everything. Those 40 fixes mean your agents crash less. They fail less. They just work. Now the February 13th update. I call this the reliability era. They added Hugging Face support. That means you can plug in open source models, any model you want. No vendor lock-in. You control everything. If you want to run a local model or a specific open source model, you can now do that inside OpenClaw. And this next one is massive. Messages now survive crashes. They built a write-ahead queue. So if your agent crashes in the middle of a task, the messages don't disappear. They're saved. The agent picks back up where it left off. Zero lost tasks. Think about that. Your agent can crash and still finish the job. That is enterprise-grade durability. That is production-ready. They also added Discord voice messages. Your agent can now hear you. Voice-based workflows inside Discord. And the agent gets a custom presence so it actually looks alive in the server. On top of that, clean threading that actually works. Parallel tasks running at the same time with no context getting mixed up. And they added support for GPT 5.3, Codex, Spark, fast coding agents with IDE-level reasoning. If you do any kind of development or automation, your coding agents just got way smarter and way faster. And the February 12th update rounded it all out. They added GLM5 and Minimax M2.5. Two new high-performance models with strong reasoning, great performance across the board. They also added IRC support. Yeah, IRC old school. But if you have legacy infrastructure that still runs on IRC, you can now plug AI agents right into it. That is rare and that is powerful. And another 40+ security fixes on top of everything else. 2 major security passes in 1 week. That shows you this is not a toy. This is a mature, serious platform that is ready for production. So let me bring it all together. In 1 single week, OpenClaw added new models, a 1 million token context window, subagents that spawn subagents, live streaming on Slack and Telegram and Discord, real UI inside chat apps, mobile workflows on iOS, crash recovery, voice support, open source model support, and over 80 security and bug fixes. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like OpenClaw. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description.